Hi everyone! Guess what time it is? It is the 12 Days of Christmas KAL giveaway day 1. Day 1. So we're coming to you a little bit late today because I just got off work, and so I wanted to do it a little bit earlier, but that didn't happen. But anyway, I think the other ones will come a little bit earlier in the day. So without further ado, let's announce who the winner is for day 1. Congratulations, Shirley Knits 123. You are day 1's first winner. So let me tell you what you've won. You have won the wonderful skein of yarn from Mitchell's Creations. It's the lanyard on her lanyard base, and it is her what did we say the name of it was? Christmas cookies. I'm not going to take it out of the package for you, and if you want to go back and look at episode 26, you'll see a better, closer view of it. But anyway, congratulations on that. You will also get the 6-piece set of crochet needles that I talked about in episode 26 as well. Okay guys, while I was editing the video, I realized that my camera cut off. Jordan has already gone back to the room. So anyway, I'm going to finish telling you, Shirley, what you have won. You have won also the set of stitch markers that I got from my Secret Santa in the mail. And you have also won this wonderful project bag, or whatever you want to do with it. It is mistakes are proof that you are trying. That's what's on the front of this one. And I hope, Shirley, that you are going to enjoy all of these prizes. Don't forget to contact me via Ravelry so that I can get these prizes out to you. But you got to contact me. Okay, guys, have a wonderful night, and we will see you for day 2 of the Christmas KAL giveaway. Bye-bye.